Welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about something big, the Tesla Pi phone, a concept device like that could completely shake up the smartphone industry. If these rumors are true, this might be the most futuristic phone we've ever seen. So let's break it down. Design. First, the design. Flat body, glass on the front, glass on the back, an aluminum frame all around, clean, premium, futuristic, exactly what you would expect from Tesla. Next up, the display. A 120Hz LTPO AMOLED panel with Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support. That means smoother scrolling, brighter colors, deeper blacks, and an overall cinematic experience. Right in your hand. Performance. Now, let's talk performance. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, or Tesla's own Tesla Gen 3 processor. Either way, this thing will be a beast, and yes, it's powered by Android. So you get top-tier power and a smooth software experience. Moving to the cameras, and this is where things get really exciting. On the back, a quad camera setup. The main sensor, a massive 200 megapixels, capable of 8K video at 30 frames per second, or 4K all the way up to 120 frames per second, with OIS for stability, 5 times optical zoom, and up to 100 times full zoom. That's serious camera power. On the front, a 12 megapixel selfie camera, able to shoot 4K at 60 frames per second, perfect for facecam videos and vlogging. A true rival to iPhone and Samsung. Battery and charging. Let's move on to the battery. 6,000 milliamp hours, huge. And not just that, you get super fast wired charging, wireless charging, and something we've never seen before, solar charging. Yes, built-in solar cells on the back. So if you're stuck in an emergency, you can charge your phone directly from the sun. Storage and RAM. The Tesla Pi phone is expected to come in multiple variants. 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, all the way up to a full 1 terabyte. And with UFS 4.1 storage technology, apps open instantly, files transfer faster. Everything feels smooth and responsive. Now for connectivity. This is a true game changer. The Tesla Pi phone is rumored to connect directly to Starlink. That means fast internet from anywhere on Earth, no matter where you are. Plus dual SIM support, eSIM, Wi-Fi 7, USB Type-C 3.2, stereo speakers, NFC, and of course IP68 water and dust resistance. Basically, it has everything. So the big question is, will the Tesla Pi phone actually leave iPhone and Samsung behind? The answer, we'll only know when it launches. But one thing is clear, if even half of these features become real, this could be the most revolutionary smartphone the world has ever seen. What do you think? Is Tesla about to change the smartphone industry, just like they changed the car industry? Time will tell.